Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we will try to learn about on-off control with timer in Delta PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will open my WPLSoft software and then we will create a new program. Program title you can give on-off control with time. On-off control just can only type and which model you have you can select. I have SS2, I will make it the SS2. Then this window will be appear. After you can start with any input, for example internal memory bit I will choose LDM0 and click enter. And next we will write Y0 out, just type out Y0 for our output, which anything with you can connect with Y0, any contactor or for example any relay, whatever you like to be on this Y0 with the time. And timer, how we can adjust, just only make a one row here to downside and here we will write only TMR T250 and time, how much like you like to choose the time you can write. I will write K100, for example 10 seconds, and click it OK. And when you make this timer, after you can make it here close contact of the timer, write LDI T250 and click enter. And one row again you have to be make here, and here you can choose first LDI TM LDI T250 and click enter. This is the close contact, but no, sorry, not close contact need, we need this one open contact. LD remove only just I and click again enter. And here you can put the reset command RST. When you type reset T reset M0 and click enter. And after one more you have to be make line here downside, and here you can write RST T250, because of when our time will be completed after this T200 open contact will be reset this M0, which is we started for this Y0, because when we push this M0 our Y0 will be immediately on and timer will be start. When timer completed his time, after this open contact will be reset this M0 and also T250. Because of complete circuit I want to be make shutdown. And also if you like to be make emergency or any button with this push button, first of this one you can make the emergency button. So we will compile this program, letter instruction, and next you have to be download to the PLC. first make simulator. If you have a physical PLC, no problem, you can directly download. If you don't have a PLC, you have to be first make it simulator on and after write to the PLC. So my program is successfully write in the PLC and then I will make the simulation on. But after simulation on, you have to be PLC must be put in run mode. So this is a go into run mode and now our PLC is in the run mode, simulator is running. So now we will start to checking. Make it set on M0 and you can see our timer is now started, and as it finishes time after this specified time, after our Y0 will be off and after complete our system will be also off. Again I will put this M0 on and you can see our timer is now running, and as time will be completed after this time, Y0 will be off. And one more thing I will explain you. If you like to change this time K100, for example, this is 100 seconds. If you like to change this one, you have to put here any data register. I will put here 1D0, for example, I will put and click enter. Because of why, if you like to make the setting of the time from the HMI, after you have to be write this one D0. Again download, compile the program and again download to the PLC. Click enter and make simulation on, and here right click, this is look like change present value, and here you can write at the D0, not a 250, at the D0 which value you like to be, which time you like to start your output, that time you can be write it here. For example, K200 we will write and click enter and again push on, set on. See, our time is now started and our output will be energized for 200 milliseconds. You can see 100 is completed, our output is still on, and as it's completed his time 200, it will be stop and complete system will be shut down. And if you like to be change this time, for example, again change it, make it the value, change the present value and go to the D0, and here you have to be write which like to be any, for example K120 you like to make and click enter, and now time will be changed at this D0 and again put make it on, and now your output will be run for 120 seconds, 9500, and see after 120 seconds after your output will be shut down. And this is the easiest way to hold any output with the time. I hope guys you will be understand about this control. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.